Welcome back to Power Tools Pro. In today's video, we're showing you 30 of the coolest woodworking tools every workshop should have. From precision measuring gadgets to must-have cutting and marking tools, this lineup will help you work smarter, faster, and with more accuracy. Let's jump right in. The WETOLS corner lamp is a clever lighting solution designed to brighten dark workspace corners effortlessly. Whether you're marking, measuring, or making tight cuts, good lighting is essential, and this lamp delivers clear visibility exactly where you need it. Its compact triangular design allows it to fit neatly into corners while providing a wide, even spread of light. It's energy efficient, easy to mount, and durable enough for workshop environments. With its bright illumination and simple setup, it's a must-have upgrade for any woodworker who wants clearer, safer working conditions without cluttering the bench or buying expensive lighting equipment. This thin Rip Jig is an essential accessory for table saw users who need accurate, consistent, thin strips for edge banding, inlays, or custom woodworking projects. It helps guide stock safely while holding it firmly in place, ensuring your cuts are perfectly uniform every time. The jig's adjustable design lets you dial in exact thickness without repeated measuring or guesswork. Made from durable materials, it attaches securely to most standard table saw fences and improves precision while reducing waste. If you want repeatable thin rips with high accuracy and maximum safety, this jig is one of the best budget tools you can add to your workshop. This setup blocks height gauge set brings unmatched accuracy to your router table, table saw, drill press, and more. Each block is precisely machined to exact measurements, giving you reliable height and depth setups without relying on rulers or eyeballing. Whether you're adjusting blade height, setting router bit depth, or spacing components, these blocks help you work faster and more precisely. They're made from high-quality aluminum with laser-etched markings that won't fade. The blocks stack together for various measurements and store neatly in the included case. If you want to eliminate setup errors and speed up workflow, this kit is a fantastic investment. This mini wood planer is perfect for small-scale woodworking, fine adjustments, and detailed shaping. Its compact size makes it ideal for smoothing corners, chamfering edges, or refining small wooden pieces. Despite its size, it features a sturdy steel blade that delivers clean, controlled cuts. The ergonomic design allows for a comfortable grip, helping you achieve consistent results even on delicate projects. Whether you're working on model building, carving, or touch-ups on furniture pieces, this mini planer gives you excellent control in tight spaces. It's a handy and affordable tool that every woodworker should keep within reach for quick, precision jobs. The Mini 3D Multi-Angle tool is a small but extremely useful measuring device that helps you mark and measure angles from multiple orientations. Whether you're marking 45 degrees, 90 degrees, or complex 3D angles, this tool ensures precision and repeatability. Its compact design fits easily into your pocket or apron, making it convenient for on-the-go measurements. Made from durable ABS or aluminum, it withstands workshop use while providing accurate reference points for cuts, joints, layout lines, and more. Perfect for both beginner and experienced woodworkers, this tool simplifies tricky measurements and boosts accuracy on a wide range of projects. This Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set provides excellent value and performance for carving, shaping, and detail work. Each chisel features heat-treated chrome vanadium steel blades that hold a sharp edge, making them perfect for mortises, joints, and cleanup work. Each chisel has a comfortable, non-slip handle for improved control during use. Whether you're adjusting tenons or cleaning out grooves, this set offers versatility at an affordable price. It's an excellent starter set for new woodworkers and a reliable backup for professionals who need durable tools for everyday workshop tasks. The Saker Woodworking Scriber Marking Ruler is a multifunctional layout tool designed for precise marking and measurement. It allows you to mark parallel lines, transfer measurements, and outline complex shapes with incredible accuracy. Its sliding scriber creates consistent spacing, making layout work faster and more reliable. The ruler is crafted from durable aluminum with laser-etched markings that won't fade. The tool helps you reduce mistakes and speed up workflow on many projects. It's one of the most versatile marking tools for any woodworking shop. This RUITOOL Japanese handsaw uses a pull-cut design, giving you cleaner, more controlled cuts compared to traditional push saws. Its sharp, flexible blade slices effortlessly through softwood and hardwood, making it perfect for joinery, flush cuts, trimming, and precision woodworking. The saw's fine teeth produce smooth edges with minimal tear-out, while the ergonomic handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip. Lightweight and easy to guide, this Japanese-style saw is great for beginners and professionals who want high-precision hand tool performance without spending a fortune. A must-have for woodworking that demands accuracy. This BeaverCraft wood carving kit is excellent for beginners and hobbyists who want to learn the art of wood carving. It includes multiple knives designed for whittling, detailing, and shaping wood, giving users the ability to start carving right away. Each knife features a razor-sharp carbon steel blade and a smooth wooden handle designed for comfort during long carving sessions. The kit also includes safety accessories and a convenient pouch for storage. Whether you want to carve spoons, figurines, or decorative patterns, this set is a great all-in-one introduction to carving. The Milescraft 8408 Center Finder is a simple yet brilliant tool that helps you locate the exact center of boards, dowels, and stock instantly. Whether you're drilling holes, marking joinery, or cutting symmetrical pieces, this tool guarantees perfect alignment. It works on thicknesses up to 2.5 inches and gives you quick, repeatable results without measuring or eyeballing. Its durable plastic construction can withstand everyday use, and its compact size makes it easy to carry around the workshop. For a small price, this tool delivers huge value by improving accuracy and saving time on every project. This Rocaris 32-pack chamfer drilling tool set gives you everything you need for smooth countersinks, chamfers, and pilot holes in wood. With multiple sizes and shapes included, it's perfect for furniture building, cabinetry, and general woodworking. Each piece is made from high-speed steel for durability and clean cutting performance. The bits reduce tear-out while producing sharp, consistent edges around screw holes, giving your projects a professional finish. Whether you're assembling shelves or crafting decorative pieces, this kit ensures your screws sit flush with precision. It's a great all-in-one set for woodworkers who want value and versatility. The Hultafors 390-293U Chisel is known for premium craftsmanship and reliable performance. Built with a high-quality Japanese steel blade, this chisel holds a razor-sharp edge and resists wear even under heavy woodworking use. The ergonomic polypropylene handle features friction grip for total control, making detailed carving or aggressive chopping easier and safer. Whether you're cleaning joints, shaping wood, or working on fine details, this chisel offers outstanding precision. Its robust construction ensures long service life, making it an excellent upgrade for any serious woodworker. This is a high-end tool built for both durability and accuracy. The AIZMOZIA wood carving kit is a versatile set designed for beginners and hobbyists who enjoy creative carving projects. Including multiple carving knives, gouges, and detailing tools, it allows users to craft spoons, figurines, patterns, and decorative pieces easily. Each blade is made from durable steel and polished to a sharp edge, ensuring smooth, controlled cuts. The ergonomic wooden handles provide comfort during longer carving sessions, reducing fatigue. The kit also includes protective accessories and storage options to keep tools organized. For anyone looking to explore woodworking artistry, this is an excellent all-in-one set. This cabinet hardware jig simplifies installing handles, poles, and knobs with perfect alignment every time. Its adjustable rulers and sliding guides allow you to mark hardware positions accurately without measuring repeatedly. Whether you're installing new kitchen cabinets or updating furniture pieces, this jig eliminates guesswork and prevents costly mistakes. Made from durable ABS plastic with clear measurement markings, it's easy to use even for beginners. The jig speeds up the entire installation process and ensures consistent spacing across multiple cabinets or drawers. A great low-cost tool for both DIYers and professionals working on cabinetry projects. The Saker chamfer plane is designed to create perfect, smooth, beveled edges quickly and safely. Its sharp, adjustable blade allows you to chamfer wood edges to several angles with precision, making it great for decorative finishing, edge smoothing, and preparing surfaces for joinery. The plane features a durable body with an ergonomic grip for improved control. Whether you're refining furniture edges or adding detail to trim, this tool works efficiently on softwood and hardwood. It's an excellent alternative to sanders when you need crisp, clean chamfers. This Saker 4-in-1 drilling positioning ruler helps you drill accurately spaced holes for shelves, dowels, hardware, and joinery. Acting as a marking ruler, hole guide, dowel jig, and measuring tool, it gives you the flexibility to tackle multiple layout tasks with one device. With precise laser markings and a stable metal body, it ensures accuracy and repeatability. Whether you're building cabinets or assembling furniture, this tool greatly reduces errors and speeds up workflow. It's compact, durable, and incredibly useful for both DIY projects and professional work. This woodworking hand planer provides smooth, controlled shaving for flattening, shaping, and adjusting wooden surfaces. With a finely adjustable blade, you can dial in cut depth for everything from aggressive material removal to delicate smoothing. The sturdy cast iron body provides stability, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during long sessions. Great for producing clean edges, leveling joints, or fine-tuning surfaces before sanding, this planer is a reliable tool for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. It's affordable, durable, and essential for achieving precision by hand. The Clark Brothers Wheel Marking Gauge is a precision layout tool used for marking parallel lines, mortises, and joinery references. The hardened steel wheel cutter produces crisp, clean lines without tearing the grain, making it ideal for detailed woodworking. Its solid brass body feels stable in the hand, while the easy-adjust locking mechanism ensures measurements stay consistent. This gauge is perfect for sizing tenons, marking dados, or laying out repeatable cuts. It offers far better accuracy than pencils and helps improve the quality of your joinery work dramatically. The Digital Angle Finder Protractor is an essential tool for measuring angles during cutting, layout, or assembly. With a clear digital display, it provides highly accurate readings for miter cuts, bevel adjustments, and woodworking joints. Its lightweight aluminum body makes it easy to carry, while the locking feature allows you to hold angles in place for transfer. Whether you're working on picture frames, trim work, or furniture building, this device ensures your angles are spot on every time. It's affordable, user-friendly, and incredibly useful for improving accuracy in your projects. This pocket hole jig kit is a beginner-friendly solution for creating strong, hidden joints on furniture, frames, shelves, and cabinets. The adjustable guide allows you to drill at the ideal angle for clean, tight pocket holes. The kit includes drill bits, stop collars, and accessories needed to get started immediately. It's perfect for anyone wanting to build with pocket hole joinery without investing in expensive systems. The compact size makes it easy to store and carry. For small woodworking shops or budget users, this kit provides impressive value. The Saker Contour Gauge is designed to copy irregular shapes instantly, making it perfect for flooring, trim, woodworking, and fitting around pipes or moldings. Just press the tool against any contour, lock it, and transfer the shape to your material for an exact cut. Its 10-inch width is ideal for most common tasks, and the locking mechanism ensures accuracy. The durable plastic pins glide smoothly while maintaining shape integrity. This tool eliminates guesswork and allows for perfect fitting in tight or uneven spaces. This adjustable drill milling dowel rod tool helps you drill perfectly centered holes into dowels, rods, and round stock. Its adjustable design accommodates multiple diameters, ensuring stability and accuracy for precise drilling. Perfect for joinery, furniture repair, and custom woodworking, the jig holds round pieces firmly while guiding the drill bit straight through the center. Made from durable metal and engineered for repeatable results, it minimizes errors and boosts efficiency. It's a great tool for anyone who frequently works with dowels and needs consistent accuracy. The Carrier 9.5-inch Japanese pull saw features a flexible, ultra-sharp blade designed for effortless pull cutting. Its fine teeth offer smooth, clean results with minimal tear-out, making it ideal for joinery, trim work, and precise cuts. The lightweight wooden handle provides excellent control, helping you achieve accurate cuts even in tight spaces. Whether you're crafting furniture, making dovetails, or cutting dowels, this saw offers exceptional performance for its price. A fantastic tool for anyone wanting to experience Japanese-style woodworking. The Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool is a versatile layout tool designed to handle marking tasks that regular rulers struggle with. Whether you're tracing curved edges, copying irregular shapes, marking parallel lines, or fitting trim precisely, this tool delivers exceptional accuracy. It features an adjustable wheel guide that keeps spacing consistent, making it ideal for cabinetry, flooring, woodworking, and carpentry. The solid metal construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic design provides smooth, stable handling. From creating perfect outlines to duplicating complex profiles, this tool saves time and eliminates guesswork. A reliable addition for woodworkers seeking precision in detailed layout work. Milescraft tri-grips are an essential accessory for woodworking tasks that require stability and elevation. These anti-slip support pads grip your workpiece firmly, preventing movement during sanding, routing, drilling, or cutting. Their multi-angle triangular design allows various positioning options, giving you full access to edges and corners without clamps. The non-marring rubber surface keeps your wood safe from scratches while providing strong friction on any workbench surface. Lightweight yet incredibly durable, tri-grips simplify workflow by reducing setup time and eliminating the need for bulky vices. Ideal for small shops, hobbyists, and professionals who need dependable support for precision work. The Saker new 4-in-1 router milling groove tool is designed to give woodworkers the ability to create precise grooves, slots, channels, and decorative patterns using one compact accessory. With interchangeable guide options and adjustable depth control, it offers impressive versatility for cabinetry, joinery, edge profiling, and custom woodworking designs. The tool's metal construction ensures stability during routing, while its ergonomic grip provides full control for accurate results. It helps reduce setup time and allows beginners to perform professional quality milling with ease. Whether you're making drawer bottoms, panel grooves, or detailed accents, this tool enhances precision and creativity. The Chamfer plane for wood is a compact edging tool designed to create clean, precise bevels on corners and edges. With its adjustable blade depth, you can make subtle decorative chamfers or deeper beveled cuts depending on your project. Its sturdy construction and ergonomic handle give excellent control, making it suitable for softwood and hardwood alike. This tool is perfect for smoothing edges, refining joints, and adding finishing touches to furniture, shelves, and frames. It provides a cleaner and faster alternative to sanding while delivering sharp, crisp lines. A great choice for woodworkers who value detailed finishing. The 90-degree right-angle clamp is essential for assembling frames, boxes, cabinets, and furniture with perfect precision. It securely holds two boards at a true right angle, allowing you to fasten screws or apply glue without shifting. The clamp's strong metal alloy body ensures durability, and its adjustable design accommodates different thicknesses of wood. Ideal for corner joints, shelf construction, and picture frames, this tool greatly improves accuracy and speeds up assembly. Whether you're a professional or hobbyist, it helps produce strong, perfectly aligned joints every time. Thanks for watching today's lineup of the coolest woodworking tools for every workshop.
If you found something useful, hit the like button and subscribe to Power Tools Pro for more tool discoveries and project inspiration. See you in the next video. Keep building and keep creating.